Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now, with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that video will be always the same. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will need the settings. So just scroll down here and then you will find always here in the corner, at the corner, the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. So now scroll down to the point General Management. It has a gray icon here in front with some white stuff to adjust in it. Tap on it. Now you will need the first point, Language. So maybe you're having a little list here on your phone right now. And in case, if your language is part of that list, just tap on it, no? Like in my case, Deutsch, so German, go on the blue button to apply, and then your language will be on your phone directly. Okay, let me turn it back to English to show you what to do if your language is not part here of that phone. I think you can imagine already we will need now the green plus symbol here to add a language. And now you can choose from many languages. Okay, maybe let's keep going on in English here for the video. Let me choose English, and now you can choose in the second step a local dialect. Maybe let's take the dialect from the United Kingdom. Okay, now you need to choose the most white one here to set as default directly, because immediately the language you've chosen will be directly the language of your phone. Yeah, as you can see, pretty easy. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it, some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.